Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show to generate mockup using AI tool. Here you can go and type Loveart AI. This one is the website that you can use and you can easily generate images as well as mockup designs and many more. Simply click on this button, get started. Click here continue with Google. You can also create your account with Apple. Then click here, got it. Now here we can type anything, for example create mockup for digital marketing agency, enable website design landing page. After that press enter. So guys, here you can see mockup design is ready. You can type anything. If you want to change, for example, please add one more section for call to action button.